YouTube colors changes. If you follow content creators or even if you are a content creator here on YouTube, you must have noticed that sometimes YouTube brings us new updates. Something so intriguing now is the YouTube colors changes. Basically, soon you'll be able to get video suggestions and notifications based on 3 videos colors: red, blue, and green. This change is coming little by little. As a YouTube viewer and also as a creator, my opinion is that it may influence how creators will set their videos and scenarios. For example, if a channel about comics notes that the color green is getting more views, it will probably make more videos about Hulk than the Flash, that is predominantly red. I also think about that this year there will be elections in the United States. And we know that this country is divided by 2 main parties, Democrats and Republicans. One party is represented by the color red and the other blue. So, would a person watch more videos from a certain party based on a color if they happen to choose between one of these two? I also know that psychology talks about colors that stimulate our taste buds or brings us more calm, etc. But what do you think about all this stuff? Leave your opinion in the comments. I think YouTube will use this color system more for those who don't know what they really want to watch. Then, they can choose the color they like best among those mentioned, and theoretically, they will see suggestions for videos where the chosen color is predominant. Tap the subscribe button for more videos about YouTube and click on the video that is on the screen right now to see another video about another YouTube update and find out the good and bad thing some people are doing about it.